A lot of people pay their rent every month, but don't realize that those payments could actually help boost their credit score. Credit Rent Boost is designed to fix that. Credit Rent Boost works by taking your on-time rent payments and reporting them directly to TransUnion and Equifax. In most cases, this kind of positive payment history never shows up on a credit report. So for renters who want to build or repair their credit without taking out loans or opening new credit cards, this service can be a real game changer. The process is straightforward, which is a big plus. Enrolling only takes a few minutes. All that's needed is a photo ID and ideally a copy of your lease, though the lease isn't a deal breaker if you're missing it. Once you're set up, they reach out to your landlord or management company to verify your payments. There's even a dedicated portal for landlords to make things easier, and then those monthly payments start showing up with the credit bureaus. If the landlord doesn't cooperate, not only is there a 100% money-back guarantee, but the company also continually works to make things as painless as possible on both ends. There are a couple of options depending on what you want to get out of it. If all you need is forward-looking reporting, ongoing rent payments can be reported for just $6.95 a month or $49 for the year, and the price is even lower if you get roommates or spouses involved, since there are multi-renter discounts. But if you want a bigger instant boost, you can also have up to 24 months of past rent payments added to your file for a one-time fee, $49 for 12 months or $65 for 2 full years. This is incredibly helpful because the length of your credit history matters a lot. And reporting 2 years of on-time rent can create an immediate strong trade line with typical score increases anywhere from 20 to 101 points depending on your starting point. Results usually show up in under 2 weeks, which is much faster than most credit building strategies. One of the best features for many people is that there's no hard credit inquiry to enroll. That means signing up won't hurt your score at all, and you don't have to worry about being denied for poor credit or no credit history, which is a huge relief for renters who are just getting started or bouncing back from bumps in the road. Plus, all names on the lease, roommates, partners, spouses can join in, and there are built-in discounts for that, so everyone can improve their credit together. Even those who have changed addresses recently are covered since Credit Rent Boost can report past rent from previous places too. On the flip side, while the service covers TransUnion and Equifax for all users, Experian is a little trickier due to their different requirements, so not every participant will see their rent payments on all 3 bureaus. Still, having 2 out of 3 major credit agencies showing a consistent rent payment history is a big benefit. Another potential frustration could be the landlord verification. While most landlords are cooperative, there's always that chance of a hiccup in the process, but again, the money-back guarantee adds peace of mind. To sum it up, Credit Rent Boost offers a practical, affordable, and easy way for renters to turn monthly payments they're already making into real credit score gains. For renters with no credit, thin credit, or someone trying to rebuild after setbacks, this is a smart move that doesn't require taking on any extra debt. However, it's important to remember that while the service is powerful, its effectiveness does depend partly on landlord cooperation, and reporting to Experian may not be guaranteed. Still, for most people, it's a risk worth taking for the chance to build or repair credit using rent, a bill that usually goes unrewarded.